Good evening, I'm Mike Bush. Madison County leaders announced the first positive case of COVID-19 in the county tonight. The patient is a man in his 30s who recently traveled abroad. There are now 160 cases in Illinois, with the first death reported earlier today. There are now 15 cases in Missouri. This as area leaders expand the restaurant and bar dine-in ban to counties in Missouri. And while we're talking about the service industry, more and more people are affected beyond the restaurant business.